NMP lang daw yung naiwan dito sa server.
Arikid, Aljur.
Kanina yan.
Takbo.
Grabe naman yun, alarm clock.
Sa gitna.
Everyone to the center first so that we can help the S-team push. And there's an A spawn near respawn 1.
Oh yeah, 1.4 million HP in here only.
Sa atin yung Oblay.
Let's go.
Meron sa likod.
Nagbagsak agad sila ng Oblay.
Panda, where is your spawn?
Respawn 1 lang.
Respawn 1.
My god.
1 sorry, Aerosmith.
Ang baba ng HP dito.
Yeah.
Yes, the HP here is not like the regular PvP HP which is triple.
Basag pa. Walang basag.
Pero reduce din ba yung damage?
I don't know. Not sure. Yun na. Stay here on this point that where I am.
Oh, patay ka agad.
Patay agad.
Sakit.
No, boss. Our party will stay here. Someone needs to stay here.
Arikid.
To farm points.
Nandito yung isa nila. Respawn 1 muna.
Team 2, those who are set to capture A and B, respawn into respawn 2. There's a pillar. There's an empty pillar there.
Sorry.
On the right side. Oh shit, they're here.
Someone's camping.
Ba't parang lakas tong mga...
Malakas talaga sila end.
Respawn 1 na ulit. They're camping respawn 2.
They can spawn camp, also spawn 1. Party is stealing
Try to
spawn 1.
help them spawn.
Pero wala.
Where's me?
Shouldn't we all go to one spawn?
Let's all respond to spawn 1 so that we can break through the spawn camp.
Report maneuver. Harang-harang yan.
Yun na. Check the other pillar A. A tier pillar. Let's go. Near S. Sophie's here already. Ay, shit.
Ay, nasa likod pa rin. Respawn na lang.
Grabe, tinadaanan lang tayo. Nakakairita.
Kaya naman. Kaso,
Like Phantom Hunt but no objective.
There are so many.
Phantom Hunt with extra
Uy,
step.
nakita ko si Liarsa. Kawawa naman, nakahiga. Binuhay ko. Ay, hindi, nag-reso. Mas pinili niya mag-reso kaysa mahil ko.
Ganun ba talaga kalakas ang tiwala ng dev sa atin? Grabe naman yung nasa lineup naman.
Oo. Lang.
I think it's a mistake
Nakarinig.
ng devs to scramble the guilds.
Possible yun has something to do with the report.
The Loki cap?
No, the GL report. If you see,
Milkshake and Essentials both have higher
Grabe, 1 hit, 1
rounds than
kill.
us. But they're in Chosen 1.
Well, I think pwede dito mag-Basilica.
Multiple times without fighting.
Sa akin yung Oblay, sa akin yung Oblay.
Akin din yung Oblay sa akin kaso natatext ako.
Kasi ang dami lang.
Paano ka magbabasilika dito? Hindi ka pa nga nakikita ka pa lang, patay ka na.
Killable.
Sa akin yung water.
Unless,
Wala, patay pa
unless
din.
tuloy.
Patay pa
Wiz,
din!
May spawn camp ata tayo dito sa Sa 1?
need your comments later for
tayo, boss.
Veil.
Totoo ako nag-revive.
Sa 2 na lang tayo?
Puta, dami rin dito sa 2. Ayoko na. Makakabalik.
Marami kahit saan.
There's no tao.
So 1 pa din?
1 type.
Everyone, if you have like a free free time, and no one's around you, feel free to resurrect people with Iglif because it takes only a few
Oh, pare.
seconds.
Wait. May
Because
nakalaban.
walking from respawn is more hassle compared to
Die there.
resurrecting using leaf.
Matanda naman.
Grabe talaga yung DP ko.
And
Kumigop.
reviving has minus points, I think.
Napaka-wheel oriented naman itong
Mga agaw ng lakas
event
talaga
na
yung
to.
DP. Grabe.
Pero 5-10 points ang nawawala. Oh.
Coming.
Kukuramba.
Kasi kukur.
Andito pala si Ku.
Yeah, the X-Pix people are here.
Rambi.
Oh, may namatay sa
Si
reflect.
Chiyong nandyan din.
Slowly.
Naging B points ako.
Kahit siguro. Ito si Baby G. Patay si Baby G.
Baby G yung. Baby G yung nasa ngayon eh.
Patay yung dalawa. Ako ba uwi na?
Ito po, wake up!
Si Ruth pa rin yata may hawak ng account ni Lucy eh.
Ganda.
Pinunay na sa gilid. Okay. Ito si Baby G.
No, I'm just joking.
I think
Gonna go respond.
this is very hard to command to because the map is big and I am
Every
very
revive may
done.
points, additional points ako. Kada revive ko.
Patay agad si Hex.
Grabe kinakarating si Hex.
HP build next kasi wala. Baba HP dito.
Oo nga eh.
This pillar is empty already. Let's move on to the next. Let's go.
Tapos yung damage times 3 din. Tapos
South
normalize
side
na
of the pillar closest to spawn.
Ano tong rating na to?
Ay,
Sa
ma'am.
guild to or yourself? Ay, patay ako.
Sa'yo.
Ay!
Rating yan. Ano, reso mo, assist mo.
Ares,
So, I'm just going to random
Anong rating mo? A...
people.
A1 na. Ilang points?
142.
Yun na. Left side ng S.
Pares.
Wait lang, primo! Ayan,
Thank you.
what the fuck?
Grabe yung lag.
GX pala.
Basta na lang nalabas yung kalabar. Para random shit lang yung nakalabas.
Layo pa. Ano ka rin?
Di pa rin nila naaayos yung ano.
Ay,
Pag-spawn ng kalaban.
tama ba?
I died.
Let's take this pillar, guys.
Uy,
Where
yun
you
lang,
been?
nabaril
Ah, shit,
ako sa target.
Farm this.
Ayun nga yung problema. Gusto ka na lang mamamatay. Soylent green ang puta.
Spawn 2 is
They should not
empty though.
have made
Spawn
this map so big if they haven't fixed the problem with late rendering of enemies.
Yun na nga.
Yeah, true.
I mean, it's
Paano
the
naman
same thing as when I'm using my
Oh, may
computer.
GX.
Even if I have set it all into like ultra,
Baby G yung agad.
still the same.
Paano yung mga nagamit ng dial-up? Bukas pa load.
Oh shit.
We're so durog.
Nasa stagger ako na hindi ko kita. Walang nga. Ano ba yan?
Familiar yan, TTG.
Grabe, dami yan. Parang mga ano.
Yan.
Let's score at least 1,000 tonight, guys.
Overpowered kami dito sa buwan. Maunti lang kami.
You know,
Dami
no,
nila.
not the side. Ah, died.
No,
Thank
no, you're not.
Shit, namatay.
Ito si Baby G.
Bloom, let's also rest each other.
Yeah.
Because we're so far from spawn right now.
I know, right?
Support build ba yung pusa mo, tol?
Yes.
Yo.
Go to the south side of it, south side of it. A pillar will go here.
Parang ko. Hindi ko nakita ko sino mataas.
No, Wiz. There's also one computation that I made. Instead of going for S, we should secure most of the A and all of the B.
Yeah.
But
you know, the
securing that
it's
wide.
only gonna work if the power is close.
Fail.
Yes,
Like,
true.
Fight?
What a
Hey,
great
my
fight.
rate is S. My personal rating is S.
Fight!
Mother chod. Ano ba yan?